Have a pad under your head so that when you're lying down, your head is level with the rest of your body. Knees stacking, hips stacking, arms stacking. The first movement is to slide the hand over, slide the top hand over the bottom hand. Just reaching out. You can do any of these movements for as many times as you like. Kind of develop your own routine. The second movement, the top hand just comes over the top. You're not shifting any of the body, so your arm might come back farther. So that's the second movement. Then the third movement is to take the top arm all the way behind, and your legs will shift off and then just come back around. So moving into a twist. Now when you're over here in the twist, you could take this top arm in a circle, or just whatever movements you like for the shoulder here, and then when you're finished, rolling back around. And to finish off, however much of the routine you've done, finish with the sliding the top hand over the bottom. And that's the shoulder routine, and then do the other side.